It's my birthday, so I decided to go to the beach, just looking at the sunset. Hi, welcome to Amsley Sunny Channel.
Shout everyone. Ayan, gusto ko lang batiin ang nag-iisang Darna ng team Walang Iwanan, walang iba kundi sila Loves Ems Lusab
Channel.
Loves, ayan, unang-una gusto kitang pasalamatan dahil sa pag-join mo sa team Walang Iwanan. Yan, isa ka napaka-supportive na member ng team Walang Iwanan. Ayan, Bornable Team Hong Kong. Ayan, kahit saan nandun ka, Gala sila Loves Ems, ayan, kahit saang L is nandun siya, nagsusupport lang siya kahit nawala siyang ganap sa sarili niyang channel. Ayan Lalas, maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang pag-support sa buong team at sa lahat ng mga YouTuber. Ayan. Thank you so much Lalabs. Ayan, gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Sana maging successful ang iyong YT channel. Ayan, alam ko nag-i-enjoy ka sa pag-video, alam ko nag-i-enjoy ka sa pagta-travel. Ayan, hope someday na magkikita-kita rin tayo na in person at mag-banding-banding din ba. So, yun Lalabs, yun, ingat ka lagi sa iyong work at sa kahit saan ka man pumunta, ayan, lagi kang mag-iingat. Ayan, stay happy and stay blessed. Ayan, stay healthy. Ayan, God bless you and your family Lalabs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lalabs Marga. It's my birthday, so I decided to go to the beach, just looking at the sunset. So this is all set. I also brought some drinks instead of buying. Tipid tips. OOTD. From home to sushi station. Going to Sushi Beach is very easy. Just take train. From Yokosuka line, just go straight. The last stop, Sushi Station. This is the nearest seaside in my place. 45 minutes by train from Musashi Kosugi to Sushi Station. From station, go from here, cross the street, and the McDonald's, then go straight. From here, just cross the street at the end of the road, then turn right at the first corner. Kapag lumampas ka na dyan sa tulay, ibig sabihin malapit ka na. Here it is. Ito na yung bukana. Hindi maaraw. But I suggest na mag sunscreen pa rin kayo para iwas. This is the old area. I was there before. So sa side na to, sa Larsa. Cloudy at mahangin. And soon umulan na siya. I thank God for this beautiful day. Natutuwa ako dito sa kaharap ko.
They struggled.
Mag-asawa. May tinatayo nila yung tent nila sa lakas ng hangin.
They struggled. Anyway. Kasi mahangin. Buti na lang hindi ko dinala yung ano. Hindi ko dinala yung ang tawag nito. Yun. Yun na nga. Yung tent. Buti na lang hindi ko dinala yung tent. Ang hangin. Hindi pwede. Tama yung mag-asawa. Struggle sila. Mahina ang internet dito kaya hindi ako makapag-live. Anyway, ayun, mag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko here. With them. I bought a little cake for me. Here, umuulan. Kaya nilagyan ko ng wrap yung phone ko. Just to avoid some kind of ano. Sabi nila, ano daw to? Waterproof. But then, I still want to keep it dry. Yun. I bought a little cake and I'm going to eat it for my birthday. Yan. Happy birthday to me. It's not a cake, a pudding. Something like pudding. Ang hangin talaga. Grabe. Sobrang hangin. Ayan. Lapit ng matunaw. Ah. Okay. Yum. 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 Yummy. Ayoko mabasa. Ang lapit.
alone is not boring. For me, it's my comfort zone. I love my own space. The weather is good for surfing. So you can see there's a lot of people surfing.
Sana huwag umaraw. Okay na tong umuulan. Wala akong tent na dala kasi mahangin. Nice. Dami nila. Hey, come here. Ah, come here. Where are you going? Uuwi na ako. Wala rin naman ako magagawa. Kasi
Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. God bless. Thank you so much for continuous watching.